Well, the next WhatsApp message that you send will be more secure than anything you've ever sent before. The world's most widely used messaging app has just got its most crucial security upgrade, ensuring that literally nobody can hack into your WhatsApp conversations. Following the controversial face-off between Apple and the United States FBI over how much access law enforcement should have over digital communication, WhatsApp parent firm and social media giant Facebook has cranked up the security settings on the massively popular WhatsApp chat application. Chances are you've noticed the encryption message in your new WhatsApp chats. This is good news if you've been worried about the privacy of your messages. Well, say hello to the all-new encryption. All of your messages, they'll now be fully secure from hacking. Your chats are now secure from cyber criminals too. And in case you're wondering, your calls and group chats are secure as well. If you're on the latest version of the app, all chats will be end-to-end encrypted automatically. But remember, the safety feature is available only when you, as well as those you are chatting with, are using the latest version of WhatsApp. Remember, WhatsApp will also allow you to check whether your calls and messages are end-to-end encrypted by adding a lock symbol to contact or group information. In fact, the lock symbol represents end-to-end encryption, while the unlock symbol will mean that your message can be read by third parties as well. Sahil is now joining us with more details. He'll help us understand why is it good for the consumer and why the administration or law enforcers might perhaps not be too happy with this development. Sahil, first of all, you know, this whole idea about being on the latest version, only that is going to ensure end-to-end encryption. Does that mean that if I'm on the latest version and you're not, then my messages too, you can be read by a third party?
Yes, basically WhatsApp had partial encryption in place before, but now both the parties need end-to-end encryption. So you need to be on the latest version of the app.
Okay. All right. Also, Sahil, you know, what I understand is that, you know, the last time around this entire encryption controversy broke out was with regards to BlackBerry, if I'm not wrong, because they were not allowing government encryption, or rather to decode what is being sent, and the law enforcers were not happy with that. Is that kind of controversy likely to emerge for WhatsApp as well?
In fact, WhatsApp could be illegal in India right now, because back in 2007, the Department of Telecom had drafted some policies that basically stipulated that not more than 40-bit encryption could be used by any private party. And WhatsApp has enabled 256-bit encryption, which is almost unreadable. Even WhatsApp wouldn't know what is being communicated on its platform.
All right, Sahil, many thanks for joining us with the details about this new safer version of WhatsApp, if I can put it that way, end-to-end encryption that is possible now on the latest version.
We're getting in an update on NIA officer Tanzeel Ahmed's murder. The police are looking for two suspects, according to police sources. The stills of these suspects have been grabbed from the
footwork correct. Hi, this is Kohli very Maintain this, huh? Hi, this is Kohli very